Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of light motion you click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will click on Alight motion and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your